Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English. Opportunities don't wait. The story of the village laborer. In a small peaceful village in England, there lived a hard-working laborer named Thomas. Every day, Thomas woke up before sunrise, worked tirelessly in the fields, and returned home exhausted. Despite his hard work, life was tough and he often worried about how to improve his situation. One morning, while walking to work, Thomas saw a poster in the village square. A wealthy landowner seeks a reliable worker to manage his orchard. Fast come, fast served. Excited, Thomas rushed to the landowner's house, but when he arrived, the door had already closed. The landowner had hired someone else. Disheartened, Thomas thought about giving up, but then he remembered the words his father had once told him. Opportunity doesn't wait for anyone. You must be ready when it comes. Thomas decided he would not miss the next chance. Every day after work, he learned new skills gardening, carpentry, and bookkeeping. He helped his neighbors with small tasks, earning their trust and advice. 6 months later, the landowner put up a new notice looking for a manager for the orchard and the farm. This time, Thomas arrived early, prepared and confident. Impressed by his skills and dedication, the landowner hired him immediately. That single moment changed everything. Under Thomas's management, the orchard and farm flourished. The trees bore more fruit, the workers were happy, and the landowner grew wealthier, and so did Thomas. His small cottage was soon replaced with a comfortable home. His children were able to attend school, and his wife no longer had to worry about food or clothing. Yet Thomas never forgot where he came from or the lesson that changed his life. Whenever a young villager came to him seeking advice, he would smile and say, opportunities don't wait. Work hard, learn every day, and be ready when the right chance comes. Don't hesitate, take it. And so the story of Thomas, the humble laborer who became a respected manager, spread throughout the region. His life became a living reminder that success does not come to those who wait, it comes to those who prepare. Life doesn't slow down for anyone. Every second that passes is a chance, either taken or lost forever. Opportunities don't knock forever, they whisper, they pass by. And if you are not ready, they move on to someone who is. Too many people wait for the perfect moment, the perfect time, the perfect condition, the perfect feeling. But here's the truth, there is no perfect moment. The moment you have right now is the only one guaranteed. If you want to change your life, don't wait for the stars to align. Be the one who moves the stars. Opportunity rewards the bold, the doers, the ones who show up. It doesn't care about excuses. It doesn't wait for your confidence to grow. It shows up and then it moves on. So ask yourself, what am I waiting for? Start that business, send that message, apply for that job, speak up, take the step because one day the opportunity that could have changed your life will no longer be there. Don't wait for opportunities, create them, chase them, own them. Remember this, the world belongs to those who act, not those who wait. Thank you, my dear subscriber, for being here with me. Your support means everything to me. I hope this story touched your heart. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing, and never stop believing in the power of consistent daily action. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.